Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making another Mother's Day card. For this I have taken a purple color paper which I have folded into half. Then I have taken a light pink color paper of size 13 into 19 centimeter. I am going to stick this to the purple color paper. I have used Fevicol here, you can also use gum. Next I am marking 4 cm from one side. And then I am drawing a line. I am going to cut along the line. Now I am using a pale yellow color paper. Using this I am going to make small hearts. I am measuring 3 cm and then I am going to cut it out. Next I am going to fold it into half. And then at every 3 cm fold as shown. Draw the design as shown and then cut it out. In this way I have cut out 6 paper hearts, but I needed one more, so I cut out one more heart from the remaining sheet of paper. And now it's time to stick them to the card. Next I am going to write mother here. Next we can write whatever message we want inside the card. Here I am writing you inspire me. I can't say how lucky I am to have you as my mom. Happy Mother's Day. I love you more than words can say. And then I am making small hearts on the side to decorate it. Finally, to decorate the card, I am making some designs over it. I have drawn some lines and then I am going to make hearts and stars over it. Finally, I am going to use some beads or sequins to decorate the card. And our Mother's Day card is now ready. You can give this to your mom this Mother's Day, and I'm sure she will be very happy. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.